Very good afternoon. So today we come with the message of the day and a tarot question. So let's see what's the message. Rose spots, love life, new or renewed romantic love is here for you. So this is a card of showing that someone entering in your life who's looking for love, or someone from your past coming in your life, or your romantic life or your emotional life is going to get better, or it's going to be good now. Second is write about your thoughts and feelings. Thank you for helping me tap into my God given creativity and wisdom, so I clearly express myself and gleam inside blessings and healing. So basically writing about your thoughts and your feelings, what are you feeling right now, or looking deep inside your inner guidance that is coming right now. Now the tarot question that I've put is that anything that you're facing right now, it can be an emotional it can be an emotional problem, or a relationship problem, or a career problem, or a money problem, or a problem with yourself, or something that is going on. So any question that anything that you're facing right now, just ask for the question in your mind. As I told you, it can be financial, money, career, personal. Think about the question, and we are asking tarot cards about the guidance as to how to what will help us to deal with this situation, or what should we do, what guidance it is giving as to how to handle the situation. So I'll just give you a few seconds to ask yourself the question, whatever situation you're going through, whatever guidance you want for any situation right now. So I'm sure you must have asked the question. So anything, career, relationship, personal, yourself. So first is letting go. So this is a card of letting go of whatever has happened in the past. Don't keep any burdens, don't keep any regrets. Just let go of everything and do a fresh start. Second is being patient. Being patient, waiting for the correct time. Still, probably the time is not yet come, so being patient. Third is, of course, working hard. Money is coming, or relating to your career, you will have to work more hard, but don't give up. And last is emotional happiness, giving more time to your family, or keeping them as your priority now, or thinking about it, or a happy family life is there, or everything fine is there emotionally. So I hope you got the reply. So first was letting go, being patient, working hard, money coming, and happy family life. So just relate it to the question that you asked. And if you have any personal question, or if you want I should remove a card, so I will do. And also tomorrow I will be removing a card for whomever I see people watching my video live. So tomorrow I would be removing the cards for everybody who's coming live with me. Right now I'm not having the cards, otherwise I would have removed the cards are not in front of me. So tomorrow I would be doing that. And if you like this video, please share it. And if you have any if you like the video, do share it. And if anything you don't like, also do let me know. Thank you so much.